Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will continue with part E, that is answer the following question and map skill of chapter 5, that is community services. So without wasting any time, let's continue. The first question is, how did community service play an important role in olden times? पुराने समय में community service important role कैसे play करता था? So community service played an important role in olden times. People helped the poor with money, clothes, food, shelter, or looked after the sick. And kings planted trees, dug well, and constructed sarais for the travelers, for the pilgrimages, and for the merchants. Now question number 2 is, mention the steps that Ashoka took for the development of trade. ट्रेड की डेवलपमेंट के लिए अशोका, किंग अशोक ने कौन कौन से स्टेप्स उठाए थे? So the steps that Ashoka took for the development of trade are, he constructed rest houses, dug well, he also planted trees on the roadside for the comfort of the travelers. So all these steps that Ashoka took, he took it for the comfort of the travelers, of the merchants, of the pilgrimages. Now question number 3, what do you mean by water harvesting? What are its advantages? So water harvesting से आप क्या समझते हैं और इसकी क्या advantages हैं? So technique of collecting, storing and using rainwater is called water harvesting. पहले मानसून में हम वाटर को कलेक्ट करेंगे, then we will store it for a while, and उसके बाद जो ड्राई मंथ्स होते हैं, जैसे विंटर्स में इवन जो रिवर्स का वाटर लेवल होता है वो भी डाउन चला जाता है, तो उस वक्त ड्राई मंथ्स में उस कलेक्टेड और स्टोर्ड वाटर को जब हम यूज करते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग. And the advantages of water harvesting are that it provides water in dry months, it provides water for irrigation, sanitation and other activities, and it also reduces pressure on groundwater demand. Question number 4, list the changes that have improved through traveling in modern time. Modern time में कौन कौन से changes ऐसे हैं जिन्होंने traveling को improve किया है? So the changes that have improved the traveling in modern times are, modern transports are more convenient and comfortable means of transport. We are having better roads and roadside night shelter, motel, guest houses and hotels also makes the traveling more comfortable. Now question number 5, mention 5 benefits of planting trees. So the 5 benefits of planting trees are, first of all, trees maintain ecological balance. Secondly, it provides green cover to our earth. Thirdly, it provides home to many animals and birds. Fourth, it converts carbon dioxide into oxygen, which is a life air for all of us. We used to inhale oxygen. And fifth is that the trees, they give various gifts like fruits, vegetables, medicines, spices, papers and clothes, etc. to us. Now let's continue with the map skill. First is state where Surajkund is located. So Surajkund is located in Haryana and this is the location of Haryana. Next, a pilgrimage center where floods and landslide occurred in the year 2013. So the answer is Uttarakhand and this is the location of Uttarakhand. Now a state where Garden City of India is located. So Garden City of India, Bengaluru and Mysore दोनों को Garden City के नाम से बुलाया जाता है, and they both are present in the or located in the Karnataka. So ये जो K shape का यहाँ पे state है, southern part of India, it is Karnataka. Now next is a state which is known as God's own country. So God's own country, आपको पता है परशुराम जी की वो story, why it is called God's own country. So this is the location of Kerala. Now last is a state which receives the highest rainfall. तो सबसे ज़्यादा rainfall इंडिया में होती है मेघालय, मेघालय का मतलब ही अबॉर्ड ऑफ क्लाउड्स है, क्लाउड्स का घर है. सो मेघालय के माइसनराम में सबसे ज़्यादा बारिश होती है. एनीवेज ऑल्सो द मेघालय state itself receives highest rainfall. So this is in the end how your map will look like. I have colored yellow to the Uttarakhand, green Haryana, purple Karnataka, orange Kerala and pink Meghalaya. And इस तरह से आप जो की है उस की को भी fill कर लेंगे. This is all for today. Bye bye. Take care everyone.